In this video, I want to share my very simple process for using a good old-fashioned notebook to set and achieve my quarterly and yearly goals as we head into the new year. I've been using this process for a few years now, using both an A5 size notebook and or a pocket size notebook, and both work super well depending on what your goals may be. Step number one of this whole process is going to be writing your goal in the back of your notebook. So go ahead and open up either your pocket notebook or your A5 size notebook or whatever you use and write your goal for either the quarters, each quarter of the year, or just your annual goals in the last page or back cover of the notebook. One quick note for setting goals that has been really helpful for me the past couple years is to focus on setting an actionable goal that is related to a habit or an action rather than setting a numeric goal. It's much more effective to set an actionable goal rather than an outcome-based goal, just because you can focus on doing that thing every single day regardless of what the outcome may become. So for example, focus on consistency, focus on daily habits, and focus on daily action. When you set a goal focused around these things, you're much more likely to hit the outcome by focusing on the daily actions that allow you to get there. If my goal was to hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube this year, a much more productive goal would be to create 1 to 2 videos every single week on YouTube and post those rather than focusing on getting to 50,000 subscribers with no real plan. Step number 2 of this whole process is to write down the action that you took to achieve your goal every single day in the notebook. Whether you did or did not take action towards that goal, go ahead and write it down, because this is just an important way to keep yourself accountable. You can write anything from a bulleted list to multiple sentences to multiple pages if you want. It just depends on how detailed and thorough you want to be in your daily journaling. Personally, I've been most recently using an A5 size notebook, and I'll typically write anywhere from 1 to 3 pages every single day in here, just outlining my day, what action I took, and how it relates to the things that I want to achieve. But don't hold yourself to a super high standard. Just know that each day might be a little bit different, and you can be creative with it, because that's the whole point. All right, and then the third and final thing that you need to do is simply just take action towards that goal every single day. Some days are going to be easier than others. Some days you're not going to want to feel like doing it. I didn't really feel like filming this video today, but here I am. It's important that we keep ourselves accountable by writing in the notebook and just being honest with yourself every single day. And as the year goes on, your goals may inevitably pivot or change a little bit, and it's important to be okay with that, but also remind yourself that anything that is worthwhile is going to take time. Whatever your goal is, you need to remember that you need to work on it long enough in order to see results. But if the goal you wrote in the back of the notebook is no longer serving you come June, it's okay to change it up and maybe set a new one for the remainder of the year. But most of all, it's important to enjoy what you're doing and to remember your real motivation and inspiration behind your goal in the first place. My hope is that this simple yet effective framework will be helpful for you as we head into the new year, and most of all, just keep you on track to hit your dreams. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. If you are interested in my Content Clarity Crash Course, which helps you gain clarity as we head into the new year, feel free to check that down below in the description as well. I have more journaling and notebook videos coming this year, so feel free to subscribe to follow along. Like this video if you enjoyed it. My name is Eric. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a blessed year ahead, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.